Hey guys, so my name's Pam and I'm with the town of Apple Valley and I am in charge of the solid waste division. So we're at Pizza Factory. You guys ready to go take a tour with CJ and see how he takes care of all of his organic recycling? Yeah. Let's go!
Let's make a pizza!
Hi guys, this is where your pizzas are made every Friday for your schools. Do you guys like pizza?
Yeah!
All right, today I'm gonna let you guys make your own pizza and I'm gonna show you how it's done. So when we cut all of our vegetables, we take the leftovers, put them into a biodegradable bag that's going to go into a special trash can that's going to be turned into compost.
What is compost?
So compost, I'm so glad you asked, is all of your tree clippings. We're able to actually compost all of the vegetables and all of your leftover meat and seafood and bones. And then we have a special formula that we mix it all together. And then when we're done mixing it together, it comes in like a mulch that you would sprinkle around your garden to make it have new, fresh nutrients that then it will help your plants grow better and save water.
Would you guys like bell pepper on your pizza?
Yeah!
Do you want compost on your pizza?
No! So that's how they make pizza?
This is how it goes.
Stretch it. Wow! It's flying in the air.
You want to toss it? Yeah, there you go. All right. One more time. There you go. Oh.
So now do you know where this goes since it was dropped on the ground?
Yes.
Where does it go?
Compost!
Compost! Well, what about cheese? Do you guys
like lots of cheese?
Yeah, lots of cheese.
I think you're the one that's putting the pepperonis on. Do you guys want some veggies on this yummy pizza?
Oh my god! It's covering the whole
Okay.
cheese.
Yeah.
How's that look?
Good.
We're gonna go in the oven.
Pizza's almost ready. You guys want to go sit down so we can get ready to have a slice of our pizza we made? Okay, let's go. So your black lid is trash, and your green is organics, and your blue is recycling. So we're gonna play this really cool game to see if you guys can figure out which trash can these go in. So, where do you think this yucky food is gonna go? Organics, you're right, we're gonna throw that in there. So then what about this? Awesome, you got that. So you guys think you're ready to go home and start doing the organic waste program at your house now?
Yes.
And school? Awesome. I think CJ has that pizza ready for you guys. So what do you think? Did you make some good pizzas?
Yeah.
Are you guys my honorary compost educators now with me? Okay, good.
If it comes with pizza, I'm definitely there because I want to eat pizza.